So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this transition effect. Starting with a blank slide, go to Insert, Shapes, and add an oval. But while you're adding it, hold down Shift so it remains a circle. Now, once you have the circle, right-click the circle and go to Format Shape, then change the fill to Picture or Texture Fill, then insert the image of your choice. Now, once you've inserted your picture, uncheck Rotate with Shape. Now, increase the size of the circle and position it on the left side of the slide, like so. Now, right-click the slide and duplicate it. Then select the circle on the new slide, go to Shape Format, Rotate, and rotate right by 90 degrees. Now, right-click the picture and choose Format Picture, go to Fill, and now change the picture to the next one you desire. Now, once again, repeat these steps by duplicating the slide again. And you can repeat this as many times as you need. Now, once you've created as many slides as you need, it's time to format the background and add in your text. Now, once you're done designing all of these slides and adding your background and text, select all of these slides, go to Transitions, and select Morph. Now let us see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more videos, tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.